In today's world, cybercrime is sadly an everyday reality. Attacks show no sign of decelerating in 2019, so we must do everything we can to protect ourselves and our businesses. I'm Paula J, and I have dedicated my professional life to improving cybersecurity on the global scale through threat analysis and prevention. That is why I travel the world to carry out penetration tests and to deliver keynotes and training sessions at the most cutting-edge and forward-thinking IT conferences in the industry. My knowledge and experience have given me a unique perspective on what is happening in the IT industry today. They also play a very important role in helping me to predict what threats we should be preparing for in the future. Soon, I will be sharing my predictions for what cyber threats to expect in 2019, along with tips on how to neutralize them in one live webinar. Such a serious subject merits a seriously special guest, which is why I'll be joined on that day by one of the world's best Windows internals and security expert, who is also internationally renowned speaker on the subject of IT, Sami Lajo. In fact, Sami is actually here with me right now, and he's got a quick message for you. Hi Sami, please join me.
Hello Paula.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm actually very good.
Thanks for coming.
Super excited to be here. You know that staying cyber safe is not an easy thing to do when attackers are constantly devising new ways to harm businesses and individuals around the world. But we have some great ideas for how to come out on top in 2019. So please join us for a very special live webinar on October 16th to hear our 2019 threat predictions. Registrations are now open at CQUREacademy.com/webinar 2019. We hope to see you all there. Goodbye.
Thanks, bye.